Okay, also, well, yeah, it's just like a notice of an indictment, but it's not the entire indictment.
I don't know what you mean by that.
Okay, well, it's like a notice. It's really not stating any information that I understand on there. Um,
Let me ask you this, if I sent you another copy of the indictment, is that the only piece of information that you need left to prepare your amended post-conviction petition?
no.
Okay,
Uh,
what else do you think you need?
I need the clerk's docket has a list of correspondences
Again, I'm not
within
sure what you're referring to.
with within the clerk's docket. The majority of the filings are listed as correspondences instead of rather than the titles listed on the cover of the filings. I need all those filings.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna give you those. Discovery isn't limited in a post-conviction petition stage one. I've sent you all the police reports that are involved. I'll send you another copy of the indictments. I've sent you the transcripts, but what the clerk's office interior comments are not relevant to your post-conviction petition. So once you get the indictment, how much longer are you going to need to prepare your amended post-conviction petition?
All my documents filed within within the court are affidavits of fact that are listed as correspondences. I will need my affidavits of fact that I filed that are listed as correspondences to prove what's necessary in my petition.
Okay. Again, I'm not anything that you filed. I'm assuming you made a copy and kept yourself. Again,
No,
how that relates to your amended post-conviction petition, I don't know. I'm going to send you another copy of the indictment, and this will be the second or third time we've done so. After that, how much more time do you think you're going to
objection.
need to file your amended post-conviction petition?
Objection. I need the entire file from all the defense, from all of the state, and all the court orders, because I'm steady not receiving the court orders. I have not made copies of all my documentation that I filed in this courtroom. I need a copy of every single last correspondence in order to prove the facts alleged in my petition.
Okay. You don't have to prove anything at this point, Mr. Shaw. The only thing you have to show is a gist of the matter.
My appellation is Cecil Shaw L. I respectfully request to be notified, to be identified as such. What's the problem here?
I'm referring to you as the indictment reads and as the appellate court refers to.
Objection. That is not my appellation. And I told you last court date it's antagonizing because I don't identify by Shaw the given slave name. Slavery's been abolished.
I certainly am not trying to antagonize you. I'm just trying to find out how much more time you need in order to file your post-conviction petition.
I can't file my amended post-conviction petition until I have the documents that have been filed by the state, the documents that have been filed by myself, and let the record show I did not receive the indictment or the discovery 2 or 3 times as you allege.
Okay. Well, that's not true. I have the green card in the file showing that you received the discovery that was signed for on March 21st, 2024. That's part of the record. Thank you.
Yeah, let the record show that you state that what I'm telling you is untrue has not been verified by the record.
Again, I'm going to ask you, how much more time do you think you need in order to file your amended post-conviction?
I'm telling you respectfully as I possibly can at this point, because I've been antagonized, that I need the entire common law record. I need all the documents that were filed by the defense, all the documents that were filed by the state, all the documents that were filed by the court in order to amend my post-conviction petition.
Okay, the entirety of the record is now 5 volumes as a result of everything that has been filed. I'm not going to ask the clerk to copy 5 volumes worth of files and mail them to you. Again, when they're unnecessary to stage one
They are absolutely
post-conviction.
necessary amended my post-conviction petition because the correspondences that were filed are affidavits. And an affidavit is necessary in order to support my claims listed in the petition.
If I give you another 2 months, would that be enough time to prepare your amended post-conviction petition?
No, it will not.
Okay, how much more time do you need?
Well, it's not about time at this point. It's about the documentation on the record necessary to prove my claims listed in the petition.
Okay, you don't, in a stage one post-conviction petition, you don't have to prove anything. All you have to do is present a gist of a meritorious claim. And if you do those things, they get moved on to a stage two. There are 3 stages in the post-conviction petition. At stage one, again, you don't have to prove anything.
Well, I do need the documentation that I filed my objections in my affidavits that have been filed for the record in order to state a gist of a constitutional claim in the amended post-conviction petition. And they're listed as correspondences. I just can't go and say, send me this correspondence because it's missing the title of the document, of the affidavit is missing the title specifically, and I didn't have copies of it.
Be sure to be sending you 5 volumes worth of material. How much more time do you need?
After I received the volumes of material, I would just need maybe a month.
I'm not asking the clerk to do that.
Well, how am I supposed to finish my post-conviction petition if I don't have the correspondences that I found that are listed within the record to prove, to even be able to form the gist of my arguments?
That's up to you.
Yeah, I need the full document. I need the full entire file. Why are you whispering? And who are you whispering
Because
to?
I'm talking to the clerk right now to find out about what your claims are.
I also did receive the transcripts from Judge Wallace's courtroom, March 13th, 2021.
I spoke to the clerk. We can send you all 5 volumes. It's probably going to cost about $1,000 for copying. Are you going to be in a position to pay that?
I'm indigent.
Okay, I understand that.
Yeah, I mean, I can file for a waiver of filing fees at the most, because I have zero finance in my account. My account balance is 0.
Okay, you're more than welcome to do so. Okay, so the clerk, while we've been sitting here, has printed out a copy of the indictment. She's prepared an envelope. She's put it in the envelope, and she's going to be mailing you a copy of the indictment today.
So how long will it take for the clerk to forward to me the 5 volumes of common law record?
One moment, please.
Boy, a headache over there. I know I'm muting like that.
Okay, you look in your eyes. Thank you. I'll be back in just a moment. Thank you for your patience.
Stop it. Police now? Police now, that's coming.
I have no idea. I don't know anything about the new equipment.
It's hard to hear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Madam,
Someone over here.
it was, I thought it was coming out of everything at one time.
Went on over there. Can you hear it over there?
Well, no, it's not even supposed, it's not supposed to be coming out of that, it's supposed to be coming out of those.
From the ceiling.
Yeah. Yeah, originally it was only coming out of that, but then it was supposed to be coming out of above now.
It's coming out somewhere over there. Oh, crap.
It is, every one of his findings or setbacks is copies of it, because he writes it on, no, on paper that's 2 on his files. So we have to sit and make a copy of all of it first before we can even scan it. And then it's sent back to him.
Yeah, I looked into that.
And it doesn't matter if we send it certified or whatever, he says we didn't get it. So it's like, if he wants to order it and say that he's, because, you know, that's gonna be like 1,000 pages. 5 volumes, I'll send 20. I'm not talking this. Yeah. I mean, if he wants to write up an order,
Because we don't use spicy oil? Yeah. Because the diesel.
so it's like, he wants to, get an order directly to this county's gonna have to get 100 kids. And that's where they used to copies. I think going back in the free.
Those are speeds to my mind. Makes sense. The moving. Yeah.
I need to copy your motions for. I don't have to. Why wouldn't we keep it ourselves? So the chip said us.
Very respectful.
No, thanks, but I don't have case law cited in mine because he didn't get yours. So the stuff that they cited is most of the stuff is specifically tailored to.
Yeah, it's on the shot.
It's not, nope. So.
I didn't. You don't really get your own, so that.
I just basically all the pictures.
They said we have the whole box of printer paper to print them out.
They got well.
He can't rate it if he doesn't have his notes, so it's already thought of people.
Well, he said, I was like, that very wrong.
Well, so that, like,
Walking on.
I'll pick them up. You want to check over? Oh, you're, so you're. Over here. No, it's not at all. Yeah. It's just not that. We're not predictable. Do you want to finish?
I'm not, and I can't, I don't smell it, really, so I'll be like, they left me with some good, I have all their voices, so
What do we have this afternoon? What have we got?
I just, I have to be here this, afternoon to advise, somebody who's gonna take the blame for our family and the consequences of that.
You-
Oh, no, wait, my client, my client's motion is about the girls and person to take the blame.
Which case is that?
Yeah, which case is that? That would be, who are you talking about?
Oh, I know, Mitchell's.
Is that today?
He said it was, I don't know.
Was Michael last day away on that? Well, apparently I'm being,
Yeah, Mitchell.
I'll be staying away from that. Apparently I'm coming in to advise her of the possible penalties, right? She's gonna say, why was usually she'll send Judge Montgomery while the person here, so. She's already been advised. Yeah, well, apparently can't be moved now. Can't be. The girlfriend.
Oh.
So what's he trying to possible? He was across the weekend to deliver. You were in on the meetings though, again, so why are you doing it? Because he needed somebody. Should it be Michelle or Rob? Probably, because you said you're listening to my motion to withdraw. Oh, well then I guess I can't do it. Yeah, because you said it. Yeah, you said it in the meetings. Oh, okay, well, we'll find Michelle. Okay. I was gonna say you can.
I so tried to get some switch to the house. No figures whatsoever.
Yes, so look.
Okay. You can be seated, see, thank you. Hold on.
I don't know, we had this county position, we wanted kids when you got me. I can release them in maybe 6 weeks, because I can release all the kids. You only need order.
Okay, recalling Cecil Shaw, also known as Cecil Shaw, L. 17 CF 369. I just spoke to Judge Waller. He has authorized your request for a fee waiver, so you're going to get all 5 volumes of the court file. What else do you need?
I need the transcripts from Waller, from March 13th, 2020 in Judge Waller's courtroom.
So March 20th of 2020 from Judge Waller's courtroom, is that right?
Yep, 17 CV 215 and
Again, I'm sorry.
17 CV 215 and 216.
Did you get that? Okay. What else do you need?
Could you also tell Judge Waller I said thank you. I need, so it was on September 24th on the trial date, there was a photo array tendered during the trial through through Detective Holliday, but there's 9 photos on each page. I would like the prosecution to give me those photos again, but just make them so they can be visible because it's 9 on each page.
I'm not going to do that. What else do you need?
Damn.
You already
Objection.
got the photographs.
Objection.
Give
Those
me
are
5 volumes of the transcripts. What else do you need?
Okay. I need medical records.
I don't have any medical records of you.
Okay, I was under the impression that we were trying to subpoena information that was needed as well.
If you'd like to issue a subpoena, you're more than welcome to issue a subpoena, but I can assure you I have no medical records of you, and how that would impact your post-conviction petition, I don't know. But again, if you want to issue a subpoena, feel free.
I want to issue several subpoenas
Oh, go ahead.
for information.
Go ahead. Feel free. What else do you need?
I need the filings, the filings from 17 CF 341.
I don't even know what 17 CF 341 is.
The clerk should have it on the docket.
Okay, 17 CF 341 is a Javier Limon. How does Javier Limon play into your post-conviction petition?
Excuse me, it should be 19 CF 341.
Those charges were dismissed. You're not getting it. What else do you need?
Objection. I absolutely need this proof.
Fine, you can have it. What else do you need?
Okay, and I'm gonna fill out the rest. I need lab. Or you say that this coming with the volumes. I'm gonna write out the subpoenas that I need for information for phone records, for lease agreements, and for medical records.
Okay, again, you're more than welcome to fill out whatever subpoena you want and file it and serve it.
Well, I'm gonna need the court's assistance to file and serve anything.
Well, you want to do it, you can do it. What else do you need?
I'm gonna need the court subpoena power to receive this information.
I need to know what
I'm
subpoenas you
trying to
want.
comprehend what is it you're saying.
What don't you comprehend about what I'm saying?
I don't comprehend that I'm asking you for the court subpoena power to subpoena this information necessary to attach as evidence to my complaint, to my post-conviction complaint, and
You prepare whatever subpoenas you feel are appropriate, get them to me, and then I'll decide whether or not I'm going to issue them or not. Next.
well, that's all I need.
How much more time is it going to take for you to file your post-conviction petition once you get all this material?
Once I receive this material, I need maybe less than a month. Like 1 month after I receive the material.
So the clerk's office has indicated it's going to take them a bit of time in order to prepare the 5 volumes of transcripts in regards to your case. Common law record. So that could take up to 6 weeks. So if I gave you another 3-month date, would that be sufficient time for you to prepare your amended post-conviction petition?
I will probably only need 2 months.
Well, I want to make sure you've got all the time that you need.
Yeah, 2 months should be sufficient.
Is there anything else you care? Go ahead.
You say, and then I'll just prep for this. I'll prepare the subpoenas to send to you as well.
Anything else you want to say?
Yes, I sent a notice of objections to the clerk's office and didn't receive a copy of them filed back.
Well, you're gonna get the whole file. Anything in the file, you're gonna get it.
Okay. Hello?
Anything else?
No, that'll be all.
Okay, so if I gave you a status date of August 1st, would that be enough time to kind of figure out where you're at?
Well, that's actually too much time.
Well, then you tell me what date you want.
I told you.
July 11th, July 18th, June 27th?
I would prefer, end of July.
Okay, how about July 18th?
Okay.
It will continue the matter till July 18th for further status. Anything else you want to say?
July 18th, I'll make a special appearance.
I look forward to it. Anything else?
Well,
Thank you. Can someone give me a please? So, Kayla, can you work on getting the March 20th, 2020 transcript? And then Lisa, you'll need the full 19 CF 340.
Yes.
Okay, so, clerk to copy entirety of 17 CF 369 and 19 CF 341. Judge Waller grants fee waiver. Court reporter to prepare transcript of March 20th, 2020, Judge Waller. Okay. Once the all's copied, I'll have Vicky do another letter again with the green card.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll let Colleen let you know when it's done. Just for your notification, everything from me as correspondence is, there's number one, we don't have enough traffic codes for everything that he's doing.
Thank you in the courtroom for your patience. Let's do the people in the courtroom first. What's your name? What's your name? Who's the defendant? What's your name?
Cody Spivey.
Cody Spivey, 22 CF 158.
Mary Bachman, on behalf of Mr. Spivey, who's present in open court.
Excuse me.
Your Honor, this was given today's date for status on